Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ripple. Well, I'm looking up Ripple news, but I don't think I missed anything. I mean, obviously, right now, the big thing we're waiting for when it comes to XRP, which I will keep you updated on this, but to be honest, the price action so far for XRP has been extremely boring. Where the market has continuously performed, right? So even this morning, like Bitcoin is relatively strong, so that's good to see. But there's a ton of altcoins performing and a ton of trades you can take on altcoins. So purely focusing on XRP at this moment, I think you should keep an eye on it. I think you should monitor it with the appeal date coming closer and closer, of course. But I think it would be a mistake to just hyper focus on XRP. And personally, I'll also tell you what I'm looking for right now for XRP, which is still pretty similar as the last time around. And then hopefully you can forget about it a little bit more as well and focus on some altcoins where you can make some money at this point of time. Because like I said, I mean, the big thing we're waiting for right now in regards to Ripple and XRP, kind of the same thing, but not completely, is the appeal date. Which is the 6th of October. There's also in the background, we still have that Ripple stablecoin news coming out somewhere probably in November, I would say. Maybe December, but that would be relatively late, in my opinion. So that's what we're waiting for, all right? We're waiting for that appeal date. And what I said earlier this month is that, well, maybe we can actually see some bullish positioning ahead of the appeal date, all right? Of big traders, speculators, which is kind of the same, speculating on what's going to happen. No appeal, bullish, appeal, bearish. And there's no real momentum here indicating any action, except for this morning. All right, so for the majority of the time, open interest was just slowly grinding up here, which is not what you want to see. You want strong open interest moves with a positive CVD. And what you saw here is that the open interest, so the amount of positions was grinding up, but there was no real direction. And then what we had earlier this night, actually, excuse me, it was not this morning, is we got a big open interest sweep. A lot of long positions were liquidated with this move down to 57.5, which is crazy, by the way, that so many longs were liquidated there. So now I do think, and after that, what you can also see is that there's immediately momentum pouring in with a positive CVD. So what I told you the last time around with XRP is that ultimately I am bullish. I think it's more and more likely that we are not going to see an appeal. But technically, the thing I'm waiting for is a breakout above 60 cents. And I think, and that's it's good timing, in my opinion. But I think now we actually do have a chance to break above that, because end Bitcoin looks like it's trying to break above 64,000 again to get up to 65,000. And, well, XRP technically, look, nothing's going on here, right? So technically there's no indication of a rally or a pump coming. But if you look at the order flow, I do think there is. We got a big liquidation spike here, which is always a good sign of a bottom, at least in these circumstances. Now, if we can continue this momentum going up, right, so the open interest going up here, with a positive CVD. We also got some shorts coming in, actually, by the way, a couple of hours ago, which is also great, because then there's fuel to kind of get to certain levels, liquidate shorts, and rally up higher. So I do think we have a chance here, but ultimately, when looking at the technicals, for me, the main thing still remains, can we break above 60 cents? All right, 60 cents, maybe a little bit lower to break out above is fine as well, but to make it easy for myself and for you, if we're able to break above 60 cents on the 12-hour, maybe 4-hour time frame, then that's a significant enough breakout. I almost have to sneeze, excuse me. Then that's a significant enough breakout in combination with my expectation of the fundamentals and the order flow to buy some XRP. And that's also my plan for now. That's what I think you need to know. As long as we don't break above 60 cents, just ignore it, all right, and focus on some other altcoins. But that's what I think you need to know. Those are my thoughts on it. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Have a great rest of your week. Take care and bye.